After recent tragedies at MSU and Oxford High School, I understand the desire to do something. But passing more laws just to say you did something is terrible policy. While these bills are a serious infringement on the Second Amendment rights and privacy rights of law-abiding citizens, they will not prevent future violence because criminals and mentally incompetent people intent on doing harm don't care about the law. This legislation would require background checks for all firearm purchases, not just pistols. Even though both licenses require background checks that are processed by the Michigan State Police through the Law Enforcement Information Network and the National Instant Criminal Background Check System in order to obtain a license. I myself have gone through 4 of these. These bills would create new regulations that could have a terrible impact on hunting in Michigan, which is $11.2 billion economic impact on the state and creates 171,000 jobs annually. And if my brother from Colorado comes to Michigan to hunt and borrows my gun, he and I could both get in trouble from these bills. This legislation would require background checks even when passing down a hunting rifle from father to son or grandfather to granddaughter. The red flag laws are so severely flawed, they force a gun owner to surrender their firearms if flagged at risk. This red flag could be started by a family member, but also an ex-partner, an ex-girlfriend, an ex-boyfriend, without any recency requirements. That means an ex from decades ago making a claim, even if you had not had contact with him for a long time, for years, could get in trouble. But could these bills have stopped the MSU shooter? No, they couldn't. They will give people a sense of false security, all while infringing on everyone's right to own a firearm, to hunt, or even defend themselves and their family. I urge a no vote against these bills because they won't prevent future violence.